Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vishnuvardhan, Mechanical Department, Government Polytechnic Vadapalli, third semester for diploma candidates. Manufacturing Technology. My subject is Manufacturing Technology 1, and subject code is M305 for C16 and C18 also. Today topic is shaper, slaughter, planer, broaching, and missions. Last class we have discussed shaper, slaughter, planer, and broaching mission also. On completion of this period, you would be able to know slaughter driving mechanism. First, we learn slaughter driving mechanism. Feed in slaughter, feed mechanism of slaughter, operations on slaughter, work holding devices. These are the today topics. I will explain one by one. First, slaughter driving mechanism. Firstly, slaughter driving mechanism. A slotting machine produces flat surfaces. Ram holding the tool reciprocates vertically up and down. Cuts the material only in downstroke. There should be some mechanism to move the ram in reciprocating motion. It is called a slaughter driving mechanism. The mechanism commonly used in slotted disc mechanism. And the slotting machine produces flat surfaces. It cannot be produced a irregular shapes. It cannot be produced a irregular shapes, and different workpieces cannot be producing and cannot be machined, and a ram holding the tool reciprocates vertically up and down. Ram is also attached to the vertical column, and cutting tool also it can be attached to ram tool holder, and the cutting tool it is made of high carbon steel and high speed steel also. Different materials also can be made, and the tool holder it can be moved from vertical direction only. It can be moving upward direction and downward direction. Downward direction is a cutting stroke, and upward direction is a return stroke. That is called ideal stroke also. And it has a rotary table also. Rotary table it can be moving a rotary type, and in this mission number of workpieces can be missioned. Means small workpieces and medium workpieces can be missioned on the slots, missioned on the workpiece to make a slots. Rotary table it has a T slots to hold the workpieces by using clamps, C clamp, T clamp, angle plates, etc. That materials that clamps also fixed. It has a T slots to cut on the top face of the table for clamping the work. Rotation of the table facilitates to take circular cuts, and slaughter base or bed it is made of cast iron or grey cast iron, and it has a heavy cutting, and it is the storage capacity also on the bed to supply of oil for a at the cutting operation, for a coolant oil is supplied to the cooling purpose for workpiece and cutting tool, and coolant oil is used to life is increased and removing the materials also it can collapse it can flowability of the oil. And base, it is a heavy casting material. It is rigidly material also to take up cutting forces and to support the other parts of the mission. On the top of the bed, guideways are accurately finished on which the saddle is mounted. And column is a vertical column. It is a vertical structure, and it is mounted on the base. It houses the driving mechanism of the ram and feeding mechanism. The front face of the column is finished accurately to form gateways on which ram reciprocates. And it has a saddle. It is mounted on the base and can be moved longitudinal on the gateways. It has a slotted disc mechanism. This disc mechanism is a connecting rod next to ram and driving mechanism and driving or coping disc. This is the parts of the driving mechanism. And slaughter machine has a crosser slide. It is mounted on the gateways of saddle. It is moved parallel to the face of the column. That is called perpendicular to the gateways on the base ram. The ram reciprocates vertically in the gateways provided in front of the column. It supports the tool head at its bottom, which carries the tool. The metal is cut during the downward stroke and the return stroke. Upward stroke, it is a ideal position the tool so that no scratches are formed on finished surface. And ram driving mechanism also, it is fixed on the mission. The following driving mechanism are used in slaughter so as to complete the return stroke, means ideal stroke. It is faster than the cutting stroke. In ram driving mechanism, there are the three types of mechanisms. That is, one, Whitworth quick return mechanism, variable speed reversible motor drive mechanism, hydraulic drive mechanism. In Whitworth quick return mechanism, it is a essentially feature of the mechanism are bull gear, driving plate, and crank pin with a slider. The bull gear receives its motion from pinion, which is driven by an electric motor. The points A and B represents fixed center of the bull gear and drive plate. Drive plate, that is called disc plate. It is the crank pin and slider block rotates about A in a circular path. This causes the rotation of driving plate about the point B. The pin on the disc also rotates about the point B. When the block is at E, the ram is at the maximum upward position, and when it is at F, the ram is at the maximum downward position. If the bull gear rotates at a uniform speed in anti-clockwise direction, the block rotates from E to F, causing the downward stroke. Cutting stroke of the ram when the block moves from F to E. The return ideal stroke is completed in lesser time. Thus, the quick return motion is obtained. The length of stroke can be adjusted by alternating the position of pin. In this one type of the quick return mechanism and other type of variable speed reversible motor drive mechanism. It is also called feed mechanism in slaughter. That the power feed mechanism that is the feed mechanism of slaughter. Wait. In quick return mechanism, a mechanism makes the ram to move slowly during cutting stroke. During return stroke, ram moves at a faster rate. To reduce the ideal time, it should return quickly. The mechanism opted is known as quick return mechanism. First one is the Whitworth quick return mechanism, variable speed reversible motor drive mechanism. Third one is the hydraulic drive mechanism. The mechanism for quick return mechanism, that is shortcut called QRM in slaughter or similar to QRM in shaper. Feed in slaughter. In slaughter, feed is given by table. Feed movements in intermittent. Feed is given at the beginning of the cutting stroke. Feed may be given either manually or by power. Table will have three types of feed movements, that is the longitudinal, cross and circular feeds. In the power feed mechanism, a rollers slides in a common groove formed on face of bull gear. These rollers is attached to the lever and moves it up and down only during small part of the bull gear. The cam grooves is formed such that movement of lever will take place only at the beginning of the cutting stroke. The movement of the lever is transmitted to the pole which drive the ratchet wheel in only one direction. The ratchet wheel is mounted on a feed shaft which may be engaged with a feed screw to impart power feed movement to the table. Types of feed in slaughter: longitudinal feed, cross feed and circular feed. That is in slaughter the feed is provided by rotary table. The work may be feed in the following directions, that is called longitudinal feed mechanism, cross feed mechanism, circular feed mechanism. In the first one, work mounted, the table is perpendicular to the column. Table moves towards or away from the column. Work mounted on table is feed perpendicular to the column. Cross, work mounted on table is feed parallel to the column face. Circular feed, work mounted on table is rotated on vertical axis. The feed movements may be given either manually or power. The manual feed is given by rotating the individual feed screws. The power feed mechanism is described in figure. That is this is the power feed mechanism of slaughter. The power feed mechanism is shown in figure. The roller slides in a common groove formed on face of bull gear. This roller is attached to the lever and moves it up and down only during small part of the bull gear. The cam groove is formed such that movement of lever will take place only at the beginning of the cutting stroke. The movement of the lever is transmitted to the pole which drives the ratchet wheel in only one direction. The ratchet wheel is mounted on feed shaft which may be engaged with a feed screw to impart power feed moment to the table. In these figures, cam grooves on bull gear and lever feed 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 adjustment pin, roller, connecting rod, pole lever, pole, ratchet wheel, ratchet wheel. That is the main parts of the feed mechanism in slaughter. It has a cam groove, or it is connected to the shaft, and it is also connected to the rollers, small roller lever, and it is small lever. It is ram movements from vertical direction. It is upward direction and downward direction. Downward direction is a cutting stroke and upward direction is a ideal stroke. Feed adjustment pin, we can if sometimes we can adjusting the lever for a required workpiece sizes and required operations and required strength. To change a workpiece sizes, to cutting a different slots, middle slot and side slot. This is the slots can be changed to the lever. That is, we can change the feed adjustment pin in the at the levers, and the ratchet wheel is connected to the shaft. Ratchet wheel, that is a pole is a just it is a lever type. It is a just arc type. It is also connected, it is also rotated to the from upward direction and or downward direction at the ramp. And the feed mechanism of slaughter uses a ratchet and pole mechanism. Feed shaft engaged with cross longitudinal or rotary feed screws has the ratchet mounted on it. Ratchet is moved by small amount in one direction only. It cannot be changed to the other directions, means a horizontal direction, with the help of a connecting rod lever. The roller moves in the cam groove cut on the face of the bull gear slotting mission. In the in the slot in the operations in the slaughter operations, the following of the slaughter operations that is a performed on a slaughter: machining flat and cylindrical surfaces, machining a circular surfaces, machining a internal surfaces, machining a groove or keyways or slots, machining irregular shapes and cam profiles, machining blind holes also. First one, the setup for machining. Work is properly held in a vise. Sorry. First, machining flat cylindrical surfaces. For machining a flat surface, the work is mounted on a parallel strip such that the tool will not touch the work table at the end of the cut. Metal is removed as the tool travels past the work. The cross feed is given at the beginning of each cutting stroke. For machining cylindrical surfaces, the tool is set radially on the work. The feed is given by rotary table at the beginning of the cut. Machining a rectangular slot, keyways and grooves. Internal and external grooves. Internal and external grooves and keyways are cut conveniently using slaughter. For cutting equally spaced grooves on a periphery of work. Feed is given by the rotary table. The graduation on the rotary table facilitates the indexing of the work. Missioning irregular surface and cam profiles. For missioning irregular counters and cam profiles, the work is fed simultaneously in three directions. That is by combining cross, longitudinal, and rotary feed movements of table. And last one is the missioning blind holes. Cutting a blind holes on slaughter, the stroke is adjusted such that the cutting stroke ends when the tool reached the bottom edge of the hole. Various slaughters operations set up for missioning. Work is properly held in a vise because once workpiece is hold on the vise cannot be disturbed until the completion of operations. That is a slaughter, drilling, or etc. Anyway, any operation. The table is raised to a gap of 25 to 30 mm between tool and work because where we can cut a operation, that is setting is easily and work table is easily adjustment to the cutting tool. The length and position of stroke are adjusted. Length and position of stroke are adjusted because workpiece, for example, slot length, and where we can choose the operation means slotting operation that can be adjusted by a lever through it is a power or by hand. The length of stroke should be nearly 20 mm longer than the work. Length of stroke is very essentially it is used for nearly 20 mm long than the workpiece. The approach and overrun should be 10 and 5 mm respectively. Depth of cut is adjusted by rotating down the feed screw of tool head. Depth of cut is essential. Depth of cut is adjusted by rotating down the feed screw. Depth of cut is required for any cutting operation. Cutting operation, how much depth we can remove the material on the workpiece. Yeah. Feed is adjusted also about half the width of cutting edge of the tool. Feed is necessary by a hand wheel or power. Feed is compulsory required to any cutting operation. There is no changes and machining flat surfaces. Fix the work properly on the table. Adjust the length of stroke. Set the required cutting speed. Give required feed of the table. Tool is held in the tool head of ram. Ram reciprocates up and down. What is what is mean feed and feed? The cutting speed of slaughter is sorry the feed in slotting the relative movement of work in direction perpendicular to cutting motion per double stroke. Double stroke means it is a full stroke comparison return and cutting stroke comparison to the return stroke and cutting stroke. It is expressed in mm per stroke. The feed movement is always takes place at the beginning of cutting stroke. That is called feeding. And the depth of cut. Depth of cut is the thickness of the layer of metal removed in one cut or pass. It is equal to the perpendicular distance measured between the machined surface and unmachined surface. It is expressed in mm. The power consumption is estimated in a similar manner as described for shaper. That is a feed mechanism. That is a feed mechanism in slaughter operation. And machining flat surfaces. Feed has to be given at the beginning of cutting stroke. Both internal and external surfaces can be machined. Surfaces can be machined. Give suitable depth of cut for rough cuts. Finishing the job by giving less depth of cut. Less depth of cut. This is the machining flat surfaces. Machining flat surfaces in the spots. Parallels, work table, work position, ram and lower, head, center, sides C and D, A and B, and the positions, the workpiece. It has a base. Base. It has a T slots. It has a T slots to clamping the workpiece, and it has T bolts also fixing to the workpiece, and sides is located supporting the work table by screws and clampings and position the table clearances, and the ram on lower head center, that is a parallels is supported to the workpiece. In this figure you can observe it is easily, and it is clamping the workpiece is easily. That is a mission flat surfaces. Machining circular surfaces. Circular surfaces to hold the V blocks generally. Tool is set generally. Tool is set radially on the workpiece is placed centrally on the rotary table. Feed is given by the rotary table, and feed screw rotates the table through an arc. Adjust the length of stroke. Set the required cutting speed. Finishing the job by giving less depth of cut. And machining internal surfaces. Machining internal surfaces. Fix up a tool in tool post. It is tool post is connected to the tool head, and the tool head is also connected to the ram. Ram also connected to the vertical column, and vertical column also connected to the mission table. Mission table is it is a rigid material. It is made of grey cast iron or cast iron material to support the work table and column, and to control the workpieces, to control the vibrations, cross longitudinal and rotary feed or combined. Any contoured surfaces can be measured. Slots, keyways and contoured surfaces also measured, mostly done manually or power. Good skills is required from operator because uh, because unskilled or semi-skilled person uh, to wastage the material and power and to disturb the workpieces and blunt the tools and damage the mission sometimes if he is not a skilled operator. Sometimes some losses is compulsory comes, so we can choose the good skilled operator on the slaughter mission. Missioning internal surfaces, missioning grooves or keyways. Slaughter is specially intended for cutting internal grooves. External or internal gear teeth can be missioned. Fix up the job between two centers. Cut first a keyway. Keyway is used for to fixing the gates and shops do distant at the place of joining a gates and shops. Move, move rotate work by the required amount. Indexing can be done by using graduation on rotary table. Cutting keyways. Cutting keyways is easily done. It is a center. Cutting keyways is missioned by a missioned on the workpieces of the at the end of the point and the center of the point, fixing the job between the two centers. It is the left end or right end or middle portion of the cutting a keyways. Cut first splines similar to a keyway. To cut a slowly depth of material can be removed and light material can be cutting and move or rotate work by the required amount. Use index plate for this purpose. Indexing plate is very important uh, for producing a keyways, for producing a keyways. And slotting missions, and in the slotting missions slaughter tools is very important for a slaughter tools geometry the tool difference from shaper or planar tools. For slaughter tools no side rake is provided. It is provided with top rake, front clearance and side clearance angles, and the amount of rake angle is same as that of shaper tool. The slaughter tools are robust in cross section and forged to shaper. This is a cutting keyways. The this is the keyway to be cut. Tool movements from vertical direction and clamps to the horizontally, and parallels is supported to the cylindrical block. It is a cylindrical block. It has a middle point of the keyway just um, keyway to cutting operation and slots also. It is a cutting vertical direction and clamps also to support to the horizontal directionally. uh, Parallels workpiece is between the clamps and parallels to supporting. Parallels it is made of small strips, small strip material just like as a cast iron material, a mild steel or aluminium, that is called that is made of parallels. And the clamps also same and different, just it is a supporting a materials for producing a different operations to finally keyways to be produced by using a slaughter machine. slaughter machine. Work holding device. Work holding device is very important for any machining in any workpieces on the machine. Work should be properly and firmly fixed on the slaughter table. It cannot be fixed properly. Uh, some operations can be um, operations can be running on the middle portion. Then the workpiece is distributed some wastage of the material and power consumption and some accidents also forming, and some operations also forming. And work is fixed on the table by three methods using a civil wise. Next one, using T bolts and clamps, and the angle plate and C clamps also. Clamping the work on slaughter is dissipated in the following slides one by one. Using civil wise, it has a civil wise means it has a slow it has a two jaws. One jaw is mobile jaw and another jaw is fixed jaw. Mobile jaw is moved by a lever to adjustment the workpiece sizes, and it is fixed on the floor of the and bench floor, and it can be cutting is easily to different workpieces and irregular shapes and cylindrical shapes, and some different types of workpieces can be fixed on the civil wise. Using T bolts and clamps, it has a T bolts and clamps. This is a and that is a workpiece to hold the workpiece for different clamps by using different clamps. That is angle plates, T bolts, and many different clamps can be fixed on the workpieces is easily done by a machine and it is made of to cutting a slots to cutting a slots on the different workpieces and the it has a T bolts to clamp the workpieces, T bolt to clamp the workpieces, and blocks also to supporting the workpiece by clamps on the small sizes workpieces, and medium sizes workpieces can be machined of this machine. And T bolts some devices such as a work holding device, that is a T bolts. The work may be fastened to the table with the help of the clamps and studs. The work is held in the vise and the vise is fastened to work table with the T-headed bolts. Cast iron angle plate is used for holding the work on work table. One surface is clamped to the table by T bolts and other surfaces supports the work with the clamps. Angle the work to the shaper table before machining takes place, and the V blocks also, and V blocks are often used to hold the round objects with the help of T bolts, nuts, and clamps. And it is a using angle plate and C clamps. This is a one figure. And this figure also it has a T bolts to supporting the C clamps, angle plates, player jock also used it to adjusting the workpieces by a lever or handle. It can be inserted by it is generally it is used in heavy vehicle, heavy four wheeler or heavy wheeler. At any place it can be punctured tires by using the screw jacks by lifting the mission to lifting the vehicle for a supporting. And it has a to producing a different operations. And feeding is relative to movement of tool or work direction perpendicular to the primary cutting motion per a removing the material. And the thickness of the layer of material can be removed cut position at any position. And cutting slots, grooves and keyways. Next, slaughter can be conveniently used to cut slots, grooves and keyways externally and internally. To cut keyways that is not extended to over the entire length, and clapper box can be blocked to prevent rising on the return stroke. That is a next topic is next one. Today topic is over. And assignment for a questions. How does the ram is slaughter in a slaughter moves? It is very very important for a diploma examination, Telangana board examination for a every semesters. And semester exams is also very very important for short questions. And unit test exams also necessary. Why the ideal stroke is should be quick? And what do you mean by quick? QRM means it is a quick return mechanism. And what are the methods to obtain quick return mechanism? And that is a feed mechanism also. That is a hydraulic system. And crank slaughter lever mechanism. That is the one type of the QRM. Write short notes on feed in slaughter. Feeding is very very important for slaughter mission or any mission, shaper mission, broaching mission, drilling mission, grinding mission. Any mission is very very important for a feeding. And name the work holding device used in slaughter. Work holding is necessary for every mission to cutting a operations. For a holding is necessary to work pieces. Work holding device and tool holding device also. It is very very important questions for a board examinations and mid exams also. And to hold the workpieces, any workpieces can be cutting operations, drilling, grinding, boring, etc. Any operations, slaughter operations also. It is very very important to clamping the workpieces also very important for a questions for a end semester of the examinations also. And that is a work holding device. So today we are learned uh, um, slaughter drive mechanism, feed in slaughter, feed mechanism of slaughter, operations on slaughter, and work holding device. This is the today topic is completed. And next topic we will discuss next topic. Okay, thank you for this